Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, July the 19th, 2024. We've two puzzles already solved. Yeah, we've already done two puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time. Yes, binary time. This one will be number 8931. Well, we've 1,000 puzzles to go. Then I will end this channel. Binary puzzle number 8931. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O's now. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Then let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, there one. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.